Hello all, welcome back to the pivot table. In this today's class, we'll see about the grouping of data. Okay, so here grouping of data will be very useful whenever you are dealing with dates. Okay, so our data also dealing with date, our when the policy is getting expired, something like that. Okay, yeah, with the help of pivot table, we need the report just like based on the month wise or quarter wise, like that. Okay, so in case if you are if you want to do it manually, right, it's very tough. So for example, see, if you want to quarter, it's just like you have to go there manually. Jan, February, March, this will be the Q1. You have to see what are the how many policies are there and what is the value, like that. If you want to do it, it's very tough. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have just extracted the data with expiry and the count of policies. Whichever you want to do it, you can do it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is once I extracted this data, just go to pivot table app, pivot table tools, and click group field. If you click group field, automatically this pop-up will come. In this one, just click the quarter wise. Okay, just simply click OK. Then your data will be automatically populated based on the quarter wise. Now, in case if you want to have the data for month wise, then also no problem. Just click the month and uncheck the quarter. Just click OK. The data will be populated based on the thing. Okay. Now we are having policies getting expired more on the March month. Okay, so this is how the you can group or ungroup the data in pivot tables. Thank you.